my name is MJ. My topic is meat consumption and health. Do you know that the two leading cause of death is in our diet? Red or processed meat is always on our plate of food. It is time for us to acknowledge the fact that its consumption is the cause of some fatal health issues like cancer, heart disease, which leads to untimely death in men and women. Abstinence is the key to a healthy living, sound mind, and longevity. Today, I hope at the end of my talk, you will agree with me that meat consumption is dangerous to health. However, it will not be enough to reduce its intake in order to reduce and prevent the risk of other health-related issues. But I would like to persuade you from its consumption to stop the disease from killing. There is the need for the young ones to also know the dangers of meat consumption in order to prevent an unhealthy living and premature death. Excess consumption of meat can cause diabetes, high blood pressure, and so many related cancer problems, especially in men and women. According to Birmingham and Women Hospital in Boston, it says that the bad cholesterol, that is the saturated fat, whenever it is accumulated in the blood vessel in the brain, can cause the brain to malfunction and can also affect our memory. Whenever our brain malfunction and we cannot gain the memory of the things that we do as human beings, I really think that our life is at stake, because a sound mind is a healthy life. Another thing is the American Journal for Clinical Nutrition of 1978 claims that anybody eating meat, they are 10 times likely to contract coronary diseases than those that does not eat meat. It means that this same bad cholesterol, whenever it builds up in the artery, it forms a plague that stops the blood from floating to every part of the body, like the heart and the brain. This kind of a thing can cause cancer, can cause stroke in the body and heart attack. And you can imagine a young man or a young woman looking for a promising life that is cut short by an heart attack or stroke. Red or processed meat is dangerous to our health. Hormones and artificial injections that are given to this and to some animals that are used for consumption in order to increase the production of their milk are found out to be toxic to the body. Many research have found out that these artificial hormones are very dangerous, and they are the increase of colorectal cancer, breast cancer, and other related cancer issues. You want to ask me, what am I saying? There are a lot of vitamins in meat, like all the B vitamins, iron, and folic acid and everything. But I would like you to know that all these B vitamins can also be gotten from other sources of food, like fish, milk, and eggs. Eggs and fish and meat also contains all these B vitamins. In fact, when you eat fish, you will find out that there is a long-lasting satisfaction than accumulating fats in the body. All necessary vitamins are also contained in this source of nutrients, especially fish. Like for me, I like to eat fish. Eggs is very good. It also helps in memory, in the retention, to be able to remember things from our memory. I would like for you to understand that the consumption of meat is really, really dangerous, because today there has been problem and challenges in the cure of cancer. Even the young ones are dying of cancer. Abstinence is the key to healthy living. In conclusion, I want you to know that the consumption of meat is dangerous. We are human beings. We are the one that makes the world go round. What we consume, it's meant to sustain us. It's meant to maintain us. Whether we consume it in excess or in much, it all depends on our body. But whatever it's consumed in a large quantity will wear down our body, and the excess one also will wear down our body. We have to learn to consume things in bits and pieces. But I also want to sound this final note that meat consumption is really, really dangerous. And like I said, it's better we don't consume meat than consume meat and face the challenges of heart diseases and other coronary health issues. Lastly, longevity, sound mind, and healthy living. It is when we abstain from the consumption of meat. Thank you.